Hey Busy are you trying to stay healthy through the holidays? Well, I have 5 overnight oats for you, holiday edition. So without further ado, let's get on into it. First, I'll start with half a cup of yogurt. You can use Greek if you'd like. Half a cup of milk, almond milk, cow's milk, soy milk, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, the zest from an orange, juice from half the orange, mix it up, and then half a cup of rolled oats, and 1 tablespoon of dried cranberries. I'll give it another mix. So zesty. And then I'll fill up my jar. And then we'll let it set overnight. In the morning, it becomes nice and thick, and I like topping it with pecans, chopped, and some clementines. They're so cute. And that's our cranberry orange. All right, next up, I'll add half a cup of yogurt to a bowl, 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, make sure it's at room temperature, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, give it a whisk. Put a little effort in this one, but it's gonna be so worth it. Can you guys guess what this is? Then I'll add half a cup of milk, half a cup of rolled oats, give it a mix, and you guys know the drill. Cap it, and in the morning, I'm gonna top it with some strawberries. And that's our cinnamon roll overnight oats. This one's gonna give you all the holiday feels. We're gonna start with half a cup of rolled oats, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, ground ginger, and about 1/8 teaspoon of ground cloves. Then I'll add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, but you can sub with maple syrup if you'd like. Half a cup of yogurt, 2 teaspoons of molasses. Can you guys guess where this is going? Half a cup of milk. Give it a mix, and we'll see you in the morning, buddy. It's the gingerbread man. I'm gonna top this with some raspberries and we're good to go. This next one's a classic. Half a cup of yogurt, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, half a cup of milk, and half a cup of rolled oats. And this is optional. If you want to add a dash of cinnamon, you can. Give it a mix, mix. Overnight it, and in the morning we'll top it with some mixed berries. And that's your maple brown sugar overnight oats. All right, this one we're gonna have a little fun. I'll start with half a cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and like 2 dashes of peppermint extract. Give it a whisk. Add half a cup of milk, half a cup of rolled oats, give it a whirl. And in the morning, we'll top it with some bananas and white chocolate. This is my version of the peppermint bark. So what'd you guys think about our overnight oats ideas holiday edition? Each one that I came up with was kind of reminiscent of what I grew up with. So the orange cranberry one right here was kind of a spin-off or riff off of my dad's favorite biscotti flavor, which was orange cranberry biscotti. Our next one is cinnamon rolls. So of course, Christmas breakfast to us always included cinnamon rolls with strawberries. And then you can't really have Christmas without gingerbread or making gingerbread. So that's where this came from. And then maple brown sugar. Actually, this kind of reminded me of Elf. If you guys remember, he ate so much maple syrup, and maple brown sugar is such a classic flavor that I had to include it. And finally, the peppermint bark. Kind of. There's no candy cane in here just because we're trying to stay healthy, so not as much sugar, but the peppermint and chocolate flavor along with the white chocolate here, if you guys want to be a little bit more indulgent, really works. So tell me guys, which holiday flavors is your favorite and which one would you try? And if you guys are still watching this far, our secret emoji for this video is a gift box because it's the holidays. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!